Pearl Juicy can choke on an old man's dick and die. Pearl Juicy said to me on a FaceTime that she...
Can I ask you something, bro?
Yeah.
How did you pick the people for this podcast? Because I feel like that's very something important that I'm gonna ask you. Why the fuck did you feel like...
Episode 2, behind the scenes, scene 2, take 1, and action. What's up, guys? Come with me today as we set up for BackRoom Podcast episode 2, Sonwabiles podcast. They're coming today. They'll be here in a couple of, I'll say hours. 1 hour, 2 hours, they'll be here. So let us set up. This is where we're going to be shooting the podcast. Last episode 1, we shot it on the other room, but we felt like we needed to make it a much bigger space. Right, this chair. I'm Nenji Hustle, and I'm directing this show. Bookshelf, having my brand played out, yeah, so we're gonna have it in the background there. All right, so now that we have it, the setup is done, completely done.
Chilling. Did you like what when I got the graphic designer to do the promo thing? You fucked with it. I forgot to even ask you if you fucked with it or not.
Yeah, it was dope, bro.
A quick ad break from Utata. You know, I want to give a proper shout out to Netbox Studios for providing the studio. You got what I'm saying? Yes. If you also want to use the studio for photography, you have a metric thing happening, you have a wedding, any kind of photo shoot, just hit up Netbox Studios and you can use the studio. Even podcasting, obviously. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Netbox Studios. Thank you.
They actually did text you.
Yeah, someone texted. They said I think it's 250.
No, now this time just tell them, yo guys,
I
we joke. This is a very expensive thing to do.
What are you talking about?
No, I didn't like people.
Because you said the studio is 250.
Yeah.
I actually said I'm 250.
No, you said
I didn't say prices. Did I say 250?
250. I said 150.
Did I say the prices?
Yeah.
I think you did say, you said young 250.
Young 250. Nah.
Even Sonwabile has a, something.
Just tell it in the beginning, whenever it
And then when I tell them, tell the person like this is like around 6K, they keep quiet.
No, just tell them no, bro. It's a serious thing, ish.
Chill.
Yeah. We're the biggest celebrities in South Africa.
Fuck, man.
Huh?
I mean,
Fuck! What?
Fuck!
Yes!
Fuck!
Let us say a drink. Don't forget the Netbox thing, and then say jokingly like,
Yo!
You fucked up.
Good, man.
Yeah.
7G.
We can start.
Sorry.
I'm gonna, I think so
Nice to meet you.
it's gonna be before the introduction.
So she buys this other.
Open the washing powder.
Yeah, so she mixes all these washing powders, right? From like the factory. So she created her own mix and then she bags it up. And then like she sent it to all her friends and all their societies. and
It's so
everything
clean.
else. So she sells all of them monthly. All their
Everyone came to this side.
it's like
Showing.
I don't understand.
Alright.
So
Can't be.
I hooked up your boy KO with Speeds Management. Not
You see, these combos we need to have them on the pod.
That's why I like to shoot fire.
This is NDA.
Okay. NDA stuff.
NDA shit.
Yeah. So I hooked up Sia. So Sia hits me up. He's like, yo, remember Sia hit me up?
All good?
And
Nothing.
I'm like, nigga, why are you getting
there we go,
emails? So they organized for Speeds to go to the final in Morocco. That's on the 16th. When the 16th? Today is the 13th, right? Okay. So on the 16th.
Is it the 13th?
Yeah, that's the person.
Okay, format this one, huh?
Yeah, format. Then just check. Oh, you can't check.
So now Sia's hooking up. So KO goes and streams there from Morocco.
Kimoma.
And I'm like, but out of all people.
Yeah, that's he's talking about Kimoma.
Yeah.
Why did you plug Omar?
I didn't plug Omar.
Oh.
You don't hear what I'm saying?
Bro.
No, I'm just asking.
But you only ask to like
That's
shit
going on.
like that.
Yeah, like
Relax.
almost not
Relax.
Relax,
like,
relax,
why?
relax,
It's like they don't
relax,
Okay.
relax.
Like it doesn't
Relax.
deserve it. Like why heal?
Okay.
Yeah.
because it's
What's
some
up?
people
Now
to
she's
rush
always
them.
like that. Anytime I
wanna
do
read
something,
your
she's
call.
like,
What?
Why?
Doesn't want to
I
read.
don't understand.
No, you don't want to understand. You're jealous. Relax.
Yo, shit, my
That's
brother.
crazy. I don't even
Fuck,
know.
yo.
Are we not live? Are we live?
Yo, nah, wait, what's the name of
Nah,
the?
we
What's the
Netbox.
We can't be like.
Isn't there like a something here?
Netbox, bro. It's not netbox.
What is it?
Okay. Netbox.
It's not netbox, isn't it? Box. What?
What's the name
Backroom.
of the studio?
Backroom.
Yeah, no,
Oh,
we're talking about the name of the
studio.
studio.
Oh, this is the backroom.
Yeah, this is the backroom.
Yeah, we need to advertise backrooms. Yo, if you're renting out a backroom, get us
Nice.
what?
We're good.
What?
We're good?
Yeah.
For just 500
Alright,
bucks,
let's do
put
it
you
again.
up here, and you can have a nice tenant. Is everything
Looks like your
this
mind is
one's
always
rolling?
working. Man.
It's rolling.
Like, why would it
Yeah.
Your mind is always like running.
Your mind switches.
Yeah, sometimes I just
I think let's roll it.
So mine is not
What's
even
rolling?
sleeping.
That's one.
Roll sound, roll cameras.
Backroom episode 2. That's good.
Alright.
That's good. Backroom episode 2. Backroom episode 2. That's good. We are rolling, man.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, action.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to BackRoom Podcast.
We are second episode, you already know.
Welcome to the second episode, guys. Thank you to Netbox Studios. You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
For allowing us the space to do this here. Also, guys, last time here people were making jokes saying the studio is $250 for the podcast. Guys, man, come on. It's not $250, bro. It's a real serious thing. You know what I'm saying? So come expecting proper prices. But then if you tell them that Backroom sent you, they will give you a discount. You know what I'm saying? So guys, I'm not alone. This is Tebe, also known as Little Mr. Lalo himself. I'm here with
Hey man, this your boy Icy, one of the flyest, one of the craziest niggas out there, doing everything naturally, you get what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
It's your girl Kimmy Gets and y'all know it. I'm back on my booty shit.
Yeah!
and last but not
You
least,
feel me?
the man of the show.
It's La Vida Nota. Kim was asking me a stupid question, like what the hell? Like why am I supposed to give an opinion on GBV in the middle of a stream?
Because you live in the
I
country.
did not
Let's
ask
do
you a
this.
stupid. No, guys. He can't say.
I went
Once
to
you have
that's
your
it.
dad,
It's not about having him. No, I'm saying that he worked himself to the bone like a slave. That's why he didn't have time for me. The only time that my dad had is
But
dropping
we're
off at
talking
school.
about women
Yes.
that had babies
Women-
with a man,
Yes.
and the man left them.
Yes.
How is she a loser?
Okay, I'm saying she has lost in that she was not able to hold on to a
No.
family unit. Now, hold
That's not her
wait.
fault.
Before I do that, a woman has to say yes to a proposal. Hold on, before you open your legs and allow a man to impregnate you, you need to vet him. You understand? He needs to be the
People
right.
change.
No, they
People
don't.
change.
No, they don't.
Some
People stay the
people
same.
act.
People stay the same. People
act.
don't
No,
change.
people
People
act.
don't change. That's
What
the truth.
woman in her
People do
right
not
mind
change. People
would
do not
give a
change.
baby to
No.
somebody that
People
knows?
never change. That's the thing. A bitch nigga is always a bitch nigga. They never
You
change.
never-
I don't think that's true.
It's okay.
I don't think that's true.
Okay, let me tell you why.
But
From
he
actions,
does
right?
actually
No,
have a
from actions, right?
Like the
Yeah,
boy
When the
child-
guy, the
boy
baller
child
at the
is not
club, hold on,
focused
the baller at the club, he's getting all the girls, but none of the girls care whether he's raping people, he's abusing people, he's taking 2 billion from the hospital so that their family members now in Tembisa need to die because they don't have the right facilities. They don't care about that. They will date the guy. Edwin Sodi's got all the girls in the world. Hamas Crowd still doesn't have water properly. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Genre's bigger than
Top
piano.
female artists.
Yeah,
In
let's do that.
Sata.
In South Africa.
For you.
In general.
In general.
Aries.
Female.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh no! No, that's wild. That's wild.
He looked like he could be a pretty girl. I was like,
Oh no, that's wild.
I'm right.
That's
Why have
wild.
the Aries fans come
It's not
for you?
coming from a Kim. If
Wait,
for real,
no,
man.
fuck, bro. Bro, Tusi, listen, bro, Tusi can choke. on an old man's dick and died. Pearl Juicy said to me on a FaceTime that she wished I got raped in prison. She said that on a FaceTime. She said, I wished you got raped in prison. Pearl Juicy. And then guess what? Because of Walter Mokwena, I wouldn't wish that on her daughter. You understand what I'm saying? Because of Walter Mokwena. You understand what I'm saying?
Not just because of Walter, because the daughter didn't do anything.
And because I'm a decent person.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying?
And it's
Okay, listen, guys.
Hey, we'll have Nota again because obviously,
I feel like at this point, Nota is part of the family. But then, guys, thank you for joining us for this episode of the podcast.
Only gonna be featured.
Like, bro,
no more features.
It's shy now. It's shy. You were here last week. It's finished.
Up another girl who's
Hey yo, they don't want to end this shit.
A baby with another rapper. You understand?
We need another episode. I think, guys, thank you for joining us on this episode of BackRoom. I'm saying,
And just say we still outside. We're gonna be back and better.
you know,
Every other Sunday. You already know.
every Sunday we are here. We are here. Wait, what were we saying? Wait, we're closing. Nice chat. Time to play is what? Time to play is what?
Time to play vodka!
Ah, shit. Bye bye.
120K, your mouth, bitch. That's W episode.
There we go. Yes, same. Everyone's waiting.
We need the thumbnail.
I can't
Thumbnail. We need the thumbnail.
Yeah. I'm doing for
my high blood pressure, nigga. Relax.
No, wait, not now, wait. Everyone must be pausing.
You know what I think?
Usually that side,
Let's get shocked at
Now they're gonna have to go back a
Come
bit
to
more,
the
gang,
side,
or
come to
the
side,
slide.
be in the middle, and then let's get shocked at him
Let's
kind of
slide,
fixing
bro.
her out.
So what? What do you want me to do?
Let's be
Move back?
shocked at him fixing
So
her out.
why is he fixing her?
Because we never know. You gotta click the video.
What?
It's called clickbait.
It's clickbait.
It's called clickbait.
Oh, we do your thing. Sharp, different things. Okay, get closer to her, Nota. Like, yeah. Don't move the hand, Yana. Just keep it there. Yes. Smile. Kim, smile. Look like you're enjoying it.
I can't.
Terry, go a little bit in frame.
Yeah.
Nah, you
Move
blocking
back.
Nota now.
Blocking Nota. Yeah. Yes, Nota. Look. Yes.
Yo. The first one on the award. The first one on the award. First one on the
It's the Hall of Fame. You're the second person. You're not the first. Unfortunately, now you won't be the first one.
Can I go?
Yeah, you're right. You can go. What the hell?
What's that, bro?
Is that your signature?
Yep.
Oh, nah. What's this?
Done. Thanks, bro. That's NOTA.
Oh.
Nota gave her Ronaldo signature, bro. I think.
Can I have pink, please?
Who's this?
Doesn't matter, I mean.
I don't want to be like anyone else.
Portrait, I'm saying.
It's a real one,
Alright, Kim, we're not writing
We
this.
come back on the podcast and these things come back and this is
And I do have a problem of putting things in my pocket. I can't lie. I don't steal though. I don't steal though.
Stole that shit.
Am I siding right now?
Stole that shit.
Yo, listen, naturally. Naturally. Hey, that's icy off rip. You can already see.
You might
That
need
is
to get
not
it
a
in
signature.
paper.
Oh,
I like it. I don't care, bro. Get off my dick.
Yeah, we're gonna do a Skotana dance.
You know the balabala. Let's do the Skotani dance. Let's do this one. Nah, let's do the Skotani dance, yeah. Oh God! Can I ask you something, bro? So.
Yeah.
How did you pick the people for this podcast? Because I feel like that's very something important that I didn't ask you. Why the fuck did you feel like?
So let me tell you, bro. Let me tell you how this whole thing, man. I thought of it. I was like chilling. it was during Emoyeni Dawn. I told you this during Emoyeni Dawn. Or like
Yes,
after,
you told me during Emoyeni Dawn, yeah.
I was saying, bro, you know what's up? I think there was this one night where Kwasazan was also there. You remember that night, bro, when it started becoming light outside?
Okay,
Niggas were still yapping.
Yapping.
And that's when I realized, like, bro, niggas actually have opinions. What the fuck? But then I was like, I won't lie, on stream, yapping that way, stream's gonna start spamming, yapping, shake bombs or something, do something, you know. That's not for stream. Yapping that way is not for stream. And I was like, bro, what would work is for a podcast. And then the first person was Smooth. It was you, Smooth, was the first two. I was like, okay, it could be this two, I already have this. And then I was like, and then I saw a clip from Kim of where she was sitting talking about politics. I'm like, Kim politics? I've never seen this side of Kim. Kim politics, what the fuck? And then I was like, bro, I should add Kim. But then I was like, Smooth is not like Terry. Smooth, he doesn't stand on his opinions. Smooth doesn't really give a fuck. If you say they deserve it, he's like, no, they don't. And you're like, no, they do deserve it. GBV is like, okay, whatever you think is shot. He's more like, no, bro. And he was gonna try to explain to you why girls don't deserve to be raped. Smooth will be like, you think they need to be raped? Ah, bro, that's your life. You be like, so I was like, it wouldn't really. Smooth is gonna come and join every once in a while, but he's not like, I don't see him as the main cast because he's not. He's a balance, bro, between Kim and you because he actually has an opinion. He's like, yo, I believe in this, and he likes to use big English words. We need those big English words.
Now, but when you think, I'm thinking about it now, the amount of times I was like, I hear you. But this is what y'all are saying, and trying to translate it in a way that Ice is gonna understand what Kim is saying. Kim is gonna understand. I'm good at that. That one, I'm good at that shit. So I get where he's why he's saying that. Yeah.
That's when the Tebe thing came. I've always known Tebe. I know Tebe. Bro. Every time we debate, Tebe's gonna be there. Like, according to the controversial results, we need someone like that on the podcast.
Oh, nah, that's crazy.
According to the controversial, you know.
Oh,
that's real though.
So
you backroom.
That was always the thing, bro.
3, 2, 1, and action.
A quick ad break from Mutata. You know, I want to give a proper shout out to Netbox Studios for providing the studio. You got what I'm saying? Yes. If you also want to use the studio for photography, you have a matric thing happening, you have a wedding, any kind of photo shoot, just hit up Netbox Studios and you can use the studio. Even podcasting, obviously. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Netbox Studios. Thank you.